Alaikum guys, my name is Muhammad and I'm going to join this academy and now I'm going for a trial.
Good luck.
Baba, where should I sit?
Parents outside.
Thank you.
Everyone, go and get some water. Quickly, wherever the water is, go and get it. And then I'm going to shout you about a minute time.
Yeah.
We dealt with some decision making while passing, dribbling and running.
Okay.
He got into it, he listened to the first instruction, he took that instruction and he made it his own.
That's great.
From the drill that we've done, from the gate drill that we've done, he took that then into the game at the end, where I witnessed his decision making on the ball and also off the ball.
Okay.
His passing was two-touch passing, so he'd stop the ball and he'd pass straight away and then move. So
Sorry.
everything that he learnt in the drill, he took straight into the match. So my honest opinion, room for improvement, because every child and every player can always improve.
Excellent.
But first time training him, first time coaching him, perfect.
What's your good name, sir? We just forget.
My name is Jordan Robinson,
Excellent.
coach from Manchester, UK.
Great. Muhammad, did you enjoy coaching of your boss?
Yeah, so much.
So what was the good part that he has here and what is the good thing you find in him?
The decision.
Decision making. Hey. That's great.
I try
So
and pride
hopefully
myself
we'll
on
join it together and we'll come on Monday as well.
Oh, perfect.
Give him your thumbs up. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank
Good luck. Thanks.
Subscribe and like to the YouTube channel. Oh, yes.
Here you go.
It's not my first roadie.
Good luck. Thanks.
Subscribe and like to the YouTube channel.
Oh,
yes.
Here you go.